Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am getting all of my containers replanted for the summer. Now, I uncovered a couple of treasures that I didn't even use last year, these giant white pots from IKEA. Now, in years past, I used to use these for growing rice, but I've bought other vessels for rice purposes. So today, I have power washed them so that they look neat and tidy, and I'm going to drill some holes in the bottom so I can transplant some existing containers into them that need to be potted up. So let me show you exactly how easy it is to convert a container with no drainage holes into a thriving foodscape pot. All right, we're just going to invert these. I've kept one for growing rice, and I actually just got it planted. And you can see there's actually 4 indentations where holes are meant to go. This drill bit's a little bigger than that, but I think that's all right. Just like that. All right, I'm in the final stretch of getting like the last 3 pots planted. I'm sure I'll find more, but I've gotten a huge collection done. I will show you, I will do a tour here in just a moment. But I've got these 3 pots that need to be potted up. I'm not ready to commit to putting these in the ground, mostly because that's a blackberry, there's a raspberry, and in with this hydrangea is mint. And all of these have the potential to become really invasive. So I want to keep them contained, but I don't want to get rid of them. I just need to keep them in containers because I know what will happen if I plant them in the ground. So I have got the peat moss nice and wet in the bottom of each of these. I'm going to go ahead and transplant the containers in and then top fill, and well, I'll have one more thing off my to-do list. Well, I think these pots look great. And talk about instant gratification. You know, when you already have established plants, putting them in a pot just gives it the oomph. As I mentioned, you know, these are plants that need to be contained because they have a strong capacity to run. And I think that these large pots from IKEA are the perfect solution. Plus, they're gonna look really pretty when they're staged over on the new patios, which hopefully will be going in the next couple of weeks. Well, I hope this video will inspire you to maybe pot up some existing planters that you have into larger containers and give them new life. And I hope that you will subscribe and tune in to my weekly garden tours so you can watch these planters and everything else grow through the summer season. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.